Hi, my name is Jaden. Today I am at the Crayola Experience at the Mall of America. First stop, wrap it up. And here I get to pick a crayon and print my own label with my name on it.
Okay. There you go.
Then I wrap it up to create my very own crayon that I get to take home. Next is cool moves. This crayon keeps copying all my moves. Next, we tried this photo booth where it makes a coloring page storing me. So first, you take a picture, then wait for it to print. Then I can color it. Next up, Art Alive. Me and my daddy are making our own works of art. And when we're done, our designs gets projected in the big screen. This one's so cool.
Whoa, that's your drawing, Jaden.
I also tried the meltdown, where I use melted wax to write my name. The rocking paper is one of my favorites. First, I color the shapes. Then my mommy pops it out and put them together. Then we put it in the stage. And my butterfly bobs and rocks to the music. I also tried modeling magnets, where I got a modeling clay from this vending machine. I tried to mold it into a shape. My daddy helped me mold it into a Mickey Mouse shape. There was also this area where you can use markers and chalks to write on this cute little neighborhood. Then I get to design my own car and watch it come to life. After I colored my car, I scan it in the computer. I customize it into a cool car. Then I watch it in a big TV.
Cool car.
Next up is color magic, where my art comes to life. Watch as my coloring creation gets animated in a computer.
Whoa.
Drip art was another cool thing that I got to do. Some melted wax drips to a paper. Then I get to control the speed as it turns it around and around. What comes out is a swirly, woolly masterpiece. I got to melt a crayon into a car shape in melt and mold. It's raining color in this rainbow rain screen. There is also a play structure for me and the kids. I really had so much fun at the Crayola Experience. It's a place where you can go to see the magic of Crayola coming to life. We will definitely be coming back for more hands-on fun. See you next time. Bye. I hope you had fun. Please watch my other videos too. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.